What's up, guys? Okay, so this is a quick little tip on the only complicated part on the YB-49 if this ever gets released, if it ends up flying. So the elevons are going to come in two pieces. The split is right here, and there is a continuous hole going through all the way through. Now you only need 3 little 4mm carbon tubes. You only need 3 pieces this size, which are about 2 inches long. One of them is in here right now, so you just stick it in, stick the other one in, make sure it's in the middle, and then just put some glue on it and stick it together. So you just want to glue that together just so it has a good bond to it. The next thing you want to do, and I'm sorry that I can't really hold this too easily, but what I will do is I'll put this between my legs. Okay, and all you're gonna do is just stick that in there like that, okay, with a stick out of about that. You're gonna want to do the same thing here. Sometimes it's a tight fit if you haven't kind of put a screwdriver in there or something. There we go. All right, cool. Okay, so I already have that one already done there. That's the, those are the L's. So this is the bottom side, so that's the left, obviously. And you want to flip this over, and you're just gonna simply slot that in place right there. And hold on, I got it tipping. Okay, there we go. I'm doing this one-handed while I'm holding a plane. It's very difficult. And what you're gonna do is, see, that's already slotted in there right there. You're just gonna push this so that it's, all right, I'm gonna have to pull that out slightly to fit correctly. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna have to pull that out a little bit, so you don't wanna have it, you wanna have it go like, there we go, perfect. All right, I did it with one hand. So that's that, okay? So that's perfect. Now all you're gonna do is you're just gonna glue, you're gonna put a little, now you have the perfect amount sticking out right there. You're just gonna put a little tiny bit of CA glue on the base of that. And then once this is, you can see that the motion is good. You have these little guys here. Let me show you. You got these little tiny parts here. Okay. This says IR, so this is inside right, and this should be OR, outside right. Now, I did not clean these up prior to, but basically, all they are just captive, kind of like captive nuts. So they stick right in here. So once I clean it up, it'll fit in perfect. Oh, it already did. Okay, just like that, okay? That holds it in. You put a little bit of glue here, so this can't come out, all right? But I have to glue the carbon tube in there first. And so you gotta make sure that the tube here doesn't slide inside and come undone, which it probably wouldn't. But so yeah, anyway, this is my new hinge method for my flying wings. This is a much better method. So I hope you guys like this. This thing came out great, and I hope it flies.